Hi, my name is Preeta. I welcome you to my channel where nostalgia meets luxury. Every bite tells a story. For today's video, we're gonna make a yummy chicken biryani. This has been one of the traditional favorites in my household, and I thought I would go ahead and share this with you. Let's get started. For today's recipe, I've taken 1 kilo of basmati rice and I've gone ahead and started to boil it. Let's go ahead and check how our rice is doing. I haven't added the spices or the salt to the rice, so let's go ahead and do that. I'll show you as we go along. If you're one of those people who don't know what biryani is, well, biryani is a dish where you have a rice component, you have a gravy part. They are brought together at the final stage where you have a dish where all the individual spices shine through and the meat is cooked to perfection. Truly, it's one of the best recipes out there. I don't have the white cardamom, so it's the black cardamom today. 2-inch long piece of a cinnamon stick, 2 star anise flowers, and 2 pieces of black cardamom. Now we'll add a teaspoon of salt to our rice. For 1 kilo of basmati rice, I'm only using 800 grams of onions. I've added a little bit of milk and small amount of oil to the rice that is cooking. We will cook it until it is 80% done. Okay, I've got my onions cut in slices. Next up, I'm going to take 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. A coarsely pounded paste will do. If you're wondering what happened to my rice, it's done and I've strained it and kept it aside. So I've got my ginger already cut up, so we're going to add it here. Next up, let's get some garlic. I've taken a kilo of chicken today, and to each one of those chicken legs, I will apply 1 deep slit. For biryani, it is preferred to have chicken pieces with bones. Okay, now let's quickly get our spice mixture ready for our gravy. We've got about 4 to 5 pieces of bay leaves, 1 long piece of cinnamon stick, and that's about 2 inches long. Then half a teaspoon of nutmeg powder, about 6 pieces of cloves, 1 black cardamom pod, and 1 star anise piece. Grab a large pot and add enough oil to cover the bottom of it. Once the oil is hot, we will add all the spices we've kept on the plate. Now let's stir the spices in for a few minutes, maybe 2 to 3 minutes. Now this is enough frying. We will go ahead and add our onions and ginger garlic paste. Keep stirring for a few minutes. Make sure they're well coated with the hot oil. Continue cooking. Then we will add half a tablespoon of turmeric powder. I've got a tablespoon and a half of coriander powder, half a tablespoon of chili powder. I will not add all of the coriander powder to the gravy. I'm going to retain a small portion of it. Our onions look done. Now we will add the chicken pieces. Once the chicken pieces are in, we can add the salt that we will adjust to taste. Give it a stir. Now let's add our chili powder, our turmeric powder, and the coriander powder. Make sure you retain a small portion of it. Continue cooking for the next 20 minutes so that our chicken is juicy and cooked well. Let's grab 3 medium-sized potatoes and cut them into 4 pieces each. Next up, we will add about 6 tablespoons of Greek yogurt to the chicken that's cooking. Make sure you stir in the Greek yogurt well, and while you do that, let the stove be on low heat. Okay, it's time to add in our potato pieces. Give it a good stir and then we will cover it with a lid. Allow it to cook for another 15 minutes. Okay, let's open and check to see if our chicken and potato pieces are cooked. The chicken and the potato pieces need to be about 90% cooked. You don't want them falling apart. So let's take them and keep them aside. And let's allow the gravy to thicken and cook on low heat for a little bit longer. We don't want the gravy to be watery. Now our gravy looks ready. We will go ahead and transfer it to a separate bowl. We will take all of the gravy out. I'm just letting the leftover gravy at the bottom fry a little bit, form a little coating. Now I will add a little bit of oil, then we're ready for the final step. Let's add our rice in layers. The first layer is our bottom one, which is going to be a little thicker. Then flatten it, add a little bit of the gravy along with a few chicken pieces, like I'm doing here. After that, again, cover it up with the next and the final layer of rice. Place some more chicken or the leftover chicken on the top and a little bit more gravy. Now here's the trick. I don't add all of the gravy. I will only add enough to get my rice done beautifully. I never add all of the gravy. The rest of the gravy that I have, I will go ahead and eat it with rotis or something like that. So this is another trick of mine. With that done, let's go ahead and put our cloth on top, cover it, and put the heavy weight on top. Cook for about half an hour on low heat, like 2 or 3, and wait for the rice to cool down before you open it. This is our last step. This is the most crucial step. If you get this right, your biryani is wonderful. Just before serving the biryani, I go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of the coriander powder on it. I'm not very fond of the strong aroma of the coriander leaves. The little bit of a dusting with coriander powder is great. You can see our rice has come out well. You can enjoy this biryani with a little bit of yogurt. It just tastes great. Here it is. Our lovely chicken biryani is ready for us to enjoy. Give this dish a try and let me know about it in the comments. I will see you guys with my next video post. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.
Are the brown stuff supposed to